Assalamualaikum. I am Uzma and you are watching Lively English Language. Viewers, today our lesson number 5 we are going to start, and our topic is WH words. Whenever we talk about WH words, something comes in our mind. Adjectives. Yes, these words, when we talk about these words like what, whom, whose, which, how, adjectives comes in our mind because these all words are related to adjectives. Whenever we want to ask some questions, we use these words in different ways, like what, whom, whose, which, how. But two words like what and how, we use these words in sometimes in different way. Like whenever we see anything and we like it, or we see that, oh, that is very amazing, we use some expressions like how and what. How and what are used to express some strong emotion as well. Yes, whenever we see any cute baby and we want to appreciate, or we want to say something about him, we say suddenly, how cute baby is, how cute the baby is. We say like that. And other thing is that other example is here, like what hot today. When we feel very hot and we want to express the weather, we say like that, what hot today. And the other thing is that there are some example about some questions like, oh, what is this, where are your books, which food do you like most, whose dress is this, whom do you appreciate, how many books do you have. These all questions we use to ask some questions, and they have some different meanings, like what mean kya, where mean kahan, which means कौन सा, whose किसका, whom किसको, और how कितना. एंड जब भी हमको कोई चीज़ पूछनी होती है, हम ये वर्ड्स यूज़ करते हैं. एंड आई होप दैट यू मस्ट हैव लर्न दिस lesson properly today, and you have still you haven't subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe my channel and share it. Take care. Allah Hafiz.